Ladies, let's dive straight into it. Have you ever wondered why some women effortlessly capture a man's attention without trying too hard? Is it the sleek dress, the perfect makeup, or maybe those heels that could rival skyscrapers? You might be surprised to learn that the one way to truly appear sexy in most men's eyes has nothing to do with any of those things. In fact, it's something much simpler, yet far more powerful. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this is and why it works. Here's the deal. Many women pour countless hours into their appearance, meticulously applying makeup, styling their hair, picking out lingerie, or slipping into outfits that scream high fashion. And while these things certainly contribute to looking attractive, they often miss the mark when it comes to what truly captivates a man. Sure, self-care is essential, but there's something far more specific that grabs a man's attention and keeps it. It all starts with understanding a universal truth about men. We are highly visual creatures, yes, but our emotions and passions are deeply tied to what excites us in our daily lives. And if you want to connect with that part of a man, you need to ask yourself, what is he genuinely passionate about? For many men, the answer is simple: sports. Yes, sports. Whether it's the Los Angeles Lakers, FC Barcelona, or the Cowboys football team, most men have an emotional attachment to their favorite teams. There's an almost unbreakable emotional bond between a man and his favorite team. It's not just about the games. It's about pride, identity, and the thrill of victory, or even the agony of defeat. A man's love for his team often runs so deep that seeing a woman he's attracted to embrace that passion by wearing his team's colors or logo can feel incredibly sexy. Forget the lingerie. Show him you're on his team, and you've got his full attention. And here's a fun twist. Even if you're not a die-hard fan, you can still tap into this effect. Picture this. He walks in, and there you are, sporting a Los Angeles Lakers hoodie, sipping a drink while watching the game. Or maybe you've got a Real Madrid t-shirt on, casually cheering for his team during a soccer match. That visual, it's unforgettable. Even accessories with his team's logo shows that you support his interests. It's a simple gesture, but the impact, huge. Men are drawn to women who show interest in their passions, and nothing says "I get you" like reaching for that team jersey, whether it's the Cowboys, Liverpool, the Lakers, or any other sports club. If this insight is resonating with you, don't miss my videos, Things That Make You Less Attractive Without You Knowing, and How Women Can Be Super Attractive to Men, for even more powerful ways to elevate your presence and confidence. I'll link them below. But let's get back to the magic of sports apparel. When you wear his favorite team's colors, you're not just showing support, you're also creating a visual connection to something that brings him joy. This small act has the potential to strengthen your bond and even reduce his interest in noticing other women. It's that impactful. However, timing matters. If his team just suffered a crushing loss, it might not be the best moment to flaunt the logo. Be mindful of the game's schedule and results. A little effort to understand his world can go a long way in building a stronger relationship. Of course, a little finesse is needed. Don't wear his rival team's jersey, especially after a big loss, unless you want to spark a different kind of tension. This simple trick works because it's not just about looking good, it's about aligning with what he values and creating a shared connection. It's subtle, powerful, and incredibly sexy in ways that most women don't realize. So next time you're wondering how to truly captivate your man, consider skipping the high heels and reaching for that team jersey instead. Trust me, it works wonders.